In 2018, more than 95 million vehicles were produced worldwide, out of which more than 70 million are cars. Today in this video, we are going to show you the top 10 countries that produce the most number of passenger cars. Let's get started. At number 10 is Mexico, with over 1.5 million cars produced in the year 2018. Nissan Motors, based in Japan, General Motors USA, are the leading car maker and company in Mexico. Coming at number 9 is France, with over 1.7 million cars produced in 2018. The PSA Group remained France's largest car maker, followed by Renault Group. Number 8, Spain. Total car produced in the year 2018, 2.2 plus million. At number 7 is Brazil, with 2.3 plus million cars produced in 2018. At present, Chevrolet USA, Volkswagen of Germany, and Fiat of Italy are the leading car maker in Brazil. Number 6, USA. Total cars produced in 2018 is nearly 2.8 million. At present, General Motors, which is the parent company of popular brands like Chevrolet, Buick, and Cadillac, is the leading car maker in the USA. Number 5, South Korea. Total cars produced in 2018, 3.6 plus million. At present, Hyundai is the leading car maker in South Korea. Number 4, India. Total cars produced in 2018, 4 plus million. India makes vehicles for its huge population of over 1.3 billion. Number 3, Germany. Total cars produced in 2018, 5.1 plus million. German car companies have a history of manufacturing high-class vehicles. German automakers are also recognized for producing the best automobiles in the world. At present, Volkswagen is the leading car manufacturer in Germany. Mercedes-Benz is the second largest manufacturer, followed by BMW in third. Number 2, Japan. Total cars produced in 2018, 8.3 plus million. At present, Toyota, followed by Honda Motors, is the leading car maker in Japan. Number 1, China. The world's most populous country, with over 1.4 billion people, is also the world's leading manufacturer of cars. Total cars produced in 2018, 23.5 plus million. SAIC Motor Corporation Limited is the largest manufacturer of cars in China. Thanks for watching.